I know that most of you are really fond of watching YouTube videos and have dreamt of at least once in your life of being a YouTuber. However, the fact that you need to show yourself in front of a camera just terrifies you. But today, I'm going to prove to you that you can now pursue the dream that you always wanted. But before we start digging in, hi, I'm Trevor McCullum, and on my channel, I share methods, tips, and ideas that help you start making money online. So if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell right beside it so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. Also, like this video and comment down below if it helped you at all. That's all I'm asking. All right, so let's jump right into it. The 5 legit ways that you can earn money on YouTube without ever showing your face. So the first thing that you can do to make YouTube videos without having to actually talk into the videos is to use a text-to-speech program to substitute your voice. This strategy is actually smart because it will not only help you save time on doing YouTube videos, but could also save you energy from talking for about 10 minutes of the video. A great software to do this is using Pictory.ai. Pictory allows you to use your created script, and it will scan your script that you have uploaded, and it will match videos that it believes goes with your script. So you can also use AI voice, so you don't ever have to use your voice at all. And the AI will actually talk throughout your entire script along with the video, which would allow you to create a nice YouTube video without ever showing your face or using your voice. This is super useful because those who don't want to show their face or use their voice, or because their voice don't sound great, or those who don't have a microphone to record their speech clearly, can use this software. Basically, what you would need to do is you only need to make sure that you have an outline of a YouTube script or content that you want to upload, paste it into Pictory, choose a language and a voice, and press generate. What's good about these guys is that you can actually use that AI voice that is specifically tailored to your needs. You may also want to adjust the breathing, tempo, pitch, pauses, and tones. You can do all of that. So you don't have to worry about your videos and your voice that you choose from the AI to sound robotic and unnatural. So you can check out my video in the card section above to see exactly how I created a video using Pictory, using an AI voice that actually sounds unrecognizably human. The second is playing video games while earning money on YouTube. Now, for those people who really love playing online games like myself, you can actually earn money by making use of that hobby of yours. And you know what? These kind of online games are really in demand nowadays, and they actually accumulate a lot of views. So to give you an idea of why this happens, there are a lot of paid online video games, right? So before making a purchase, many people would like to know what they're getting into to see if it's actually something they enjoy playing. And others don't have time to play, but still want to know the complete story of a certain video game. Now, as a result, gaming videos are incredibly popular on YouTube and as a fantastic source of income. So if you're someone who plays a lot of video games, then you might want to consider using this as a source of income because it's actually a good opportunity. I'm literally seeing a lot of YouTubers who are out there just showing what they're playing, screen sharing their video games, and they are earning 6 figures per month. So if they can earn a substantial sum of money simply by doing what they want to enjoy, I know you can too. Make compilation videos. The third way to earn money on YouTube without ever showing your face is by making compilation videos. A compilation is a group of brief connected videos that have been all put together. It might be anything such as fantastic video game highlights, sports highlights, fascinating TikTok videos, failed Twitch footage, amazing music, simply humorous photographs, anything. This is also a great way to earn money online because it's really easy to do. What you'll need to do is find any videos that you think people would like and just compile them into one video, which you can do easily by using free editing software such as Veed, OpenShot, CapCut, iMovie, and such, etc. After that, you can just upload it on YouTube and start earning money. This is a great way to have a passive income because you can also do this just by using your phone. So this is something that you really should not be missing out on. However, you should take note that compilation videos are particularly susceptible to being demonetized by owning copyright issues that other people might put against your video. This is a crucial point of keeping in mind, guys. Therefore, make sure you have the necessary authorization before including any clip. Start an ASMR channel. The next thing that you can do is start an ASMR channel. I know that most of you are already familiar with this and have an idea and maybe watch a video or two about it, it's truly amazing content, right? Because it's really satisfying to watch. We can't really doubt why it gains millions of views per video. But if you're someone who really loves watching these kind of videos, then why won't you consider having it a channel for this one? I personally think that YouTube content is not only enjoyable to watch, but is also enjoyable to make. Just imagine the happiness of those YouTube content creators who make ASMR videos. Their happiness might be on another level. Additionally, what's good about this content is that you can choose your subject depending on your liking. It could be slimes or soaps or cooking and so on. But there are actually a lot of options, so it's impossible for you to lose content ideas. You will need your phone, a good quality microphone, and some free editing software. And now you'll be able to upload YouTube videos and earn money. Make YouTube with me videos. We are now on to the fifth method. Did you know that there are YouTube content creators out there who are already making a lot of money just by filming the things that they already like doing in their day-to-day life? Yes, you heard it right. And this is all possible for you to earn money through this way too. May I just add, according to researchers, watching Watch Me videos like Study With Me or Clean With Me can help people feel more self-assured and motivated to accomplish their own goals. This is why these videos has consequently grown in popularity especially in the world where there are so many things to divert us from accomplishing our own primary tasks. And this is the #1 reason why these kinds of videos are a hit on YouTube. You just need your phone, a tripod, and an angle to film from that you're already doing on your everyday life. So what are you waiting for? Try this method out and I'm sure it'll be a hit, just like the other ones that I already mentioned that you can do on YouTube. And there you actually have a lot of ways that you can earn money on YouTube without ever showing your face. I'm hoping that this was able to inspire you to start a YouTube channel because it really is possible to do even if you don't want to show your face. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button down below. And again, make sure you subscribe. And don't forget to leave any comment down below for any video suggestions in the future. Other than that, thank you guys for watching and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.